climbing high, streetlight busted, darkened sky. With that bucket lit, reaching tall, fixing Drummond Lodge, answering the call. Up there adjusting, wires in hand, light flickers on brighter land. Sweat drips down, but heart feels right, making the world glow, bringing light. Dan with the bucket shining through, turning night to day, fixing hues. Heroes don't cage, just steady hands, brighter streets, all thanks to Dan. Neighbors cheer, watching from afar, Drummond Lodge lit like a sparking star. Dan descends, job well done, under the new light, everyone runs. Fireflies jealous, can't compete, Dan's handiwork, shining street. No task too small, he'll take flight, up in that bucket, fixing the night. Shining through, turning night to day, fixing hues. Heroes don't cage, just steady hands, brighter streets, all thanks to Dan. Neighbors cheer, watching from afar, Drummond Lodge lit like a sparkling star. Dan descends, job well done, under the new light, everyone runs. Fireflies jealous, can't compete, Dan's handiwork, shining street. No task too small, he'll take flight, up in that bucket, fixing the night.